the executive leadership of the National Women's Waza Leadership Award, the deputy head of the Swiss mission in Southern Africa, Ms. Veronica Heller, High Court judges of the Republic of South Africa, legal practitioners, ladies and gentlemen, good day to all of you. I am Commissioner Mohammed Shafie from the South African Human Rights Commission. I am one of the 8 commissioners on the South African Human Rights Commission, and I wish to, on behalf of the South African Human Rights Commission, extend our congratulations to the Waza Women's Legal Platform for hosting this very important seminar on the webinar on gender-based violence. It is a discussion that is very important in our society, and we as a South African Human Rights Commission would like to say to you that we will join hands with you to fight the scourge of this pandemic called the gender-based violence. It is worse than the COVID-19 pandemic, because in the COVID-19 pandemic, at least there is a vaccine where we can find a solution to the ills of the health problems in society locally and globally. But unfortunately, we cannot say the same around the issue of the gender-based violence pandemic, which just goes unabated. This battle can only be overcome if we join hands through a strategic collaborative partnership, a partnership where all like-minded persons will hold hands to find common strategies to overcome this malaise in society. We need to transform societal values, we need to secure rights, and we need to restore the dignity of our mothers and our sisters and protect the interest of our children. I would be remiss, ladies and gentlemen, if I would not say a few words on behalf of my fellow commissioner, Commissioner Angie Makwetla, who unfortunately has taken ill, but who would have made a great contribution to this webinar today had it not been for her illness. She has recently wrote a book in 2019 called Femicide, A Family Relives Its Pain, as told by Angie Makwetla, and the foreword was written by Dr. Judy Dlamini, the Chancellor of the University of Witwatersrand in 2019. Her message is very clear, and it says the following: we need to find a sustainable solution locally and globally through these strategic collaborative partnerships with like-minded national initiatives such as the National Women's Waza Legal Empowerment Forum that was launched in South Africa in August 2019. Commissioner Makwetla wrote to the chairperson of the board of the Waza Women's Legal Empowerment Forum, and I quote, "The issues of gender-based violence is extremely worrying. I commented to my family this morning that there is not a day that one opens the newspaper and does not come across a headline of a woman or child being killed. I really weep for this country where women and girls are being killed just for being, quote unquote, the wrong gender. We need to hold hands and fight the scourge. We need to find ways of saying enough is enough." Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, let us once again say to you, as a South African Human Rights Commission, we regard gender-based violence as a gross and a serious violation of fundamental human rights. the right to dignity, and the right to life. And we will do everything in our power through our constitutional mandate to leverage constitutional corridors of power and join hands with you to ensure that we build a better and a safer and a more resilient society. I thank you and I wish you well in your deliberations.